Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. We have another unboxing of Perkys Paperie monthly subscription. I am so excited. You guys know I was obsessed with the previous month and the Country Kitchen. It was such a cute collection. Super affordable monthly sticker subscription. So if you're looking for something that is under $20, this is it. I believe this is $18 plus shipping though. So yeah, this is the little sneak peek color. Look at that. I love a little sneak peek with the envelope color and then like the little sticker here. So I have a feeling this might be slightly fall themed. So let's see what we have here. Try to open this carefully. Oh my gosh. I am so excited, you guys. All right, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, I feel like there's something else in here. Stop it. Are you freaking kidding me? You guys. Oh my gosh. I am excited. Okay, this is the August monthly subscription. This little keychain here already is so gorgeous. Or it's a charm, I should say. Oh my gosh. All right, let me try to get this out. Give me a second. Let's just look at what we have here first. This is such a cute sticker. It is a sticker that is cut out on washi paper and it's like a little receipt. How clever is that? Super cute. This is great to put in your planner or your journal, just to like mark the monthly subscription for August from Perkys Paperie. It shows you what's included. I love this little receipt. It says approved, thank you, customer copy, thank you for subscribing. You guys, this subscription is so good. So highly recommend you guys check it out. I'll leave the link down below. First off, this gorgeous charm. I mean, it is adorable. This little wine glass here with some red wine in it. This is adorable. See, stuff like this I love. I can put this on like my planner, a keychain, my backpack, a purse. It is just so cute. You can put it on a bracelet or a necklace. So versatile. So I absolutely adore that. And then it looks like the theme. Ooh, wait, that's so cool. All right, look at this journaling card. It's like a cutout. But the theme clearly is wine. It says, good friends drink wine with you. Best friends know your favorite bottle. So cute. So there's that. And then, let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. All right, so here are the stickers. So I'll show you guys that last. But look at this. This is such a cool little journaling card. This would be really cute, again, for scrapbooking, junk journaling, anything like that, or just to have. You can punch holes in this, but this is a wine color guide, and it tells you, like, the different types and colors. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I've never seen this. So I'm really gonna have to like look at this. It actually lists different wines and where they're made. Oh my goodness. That is so neat. So there's that journaling card. Now we're gonna get into the stickers. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets this time. Look at that. She always throws in like a freebie or an extra. So I think that was definitely like this little charm maybe, or like, I think there's an extra sheet, which is awesome because I don't know if we had terrible washi in the last one. So this is such a cool idea. This whole entire piece of paper is washi and it's a sticker paper. So you can pretty much use this entire sheet and just rip the pieces that you want. So you can get some corners out of this, some little like irregular shaped items, and this really beautiful brick print is so much fun. So this is going to be awesome just to use in so many different ways. I love terrible washi. I think it's so cool. So there's that. And then here are the standard sticker sheets. So we have this one here. Let me move all of this over just so we can have a better view. We have this one with like some scenes, some grapes, the wine bottles. Oh, just so gorgeous. Here's another sheet. Again, just some more deco and scenes. Like, it's beautiful. Look at this like really amazing like wine, like restaurant type thing. Looks like a cellar, the bicycle, the wine, like, what are these called? Stains, the wine stains. So pretty. So those are the first two sheets. Again, more deco related. Then we have a floral sheet. You guys know I'm obsessed with the floral sheet, and I love the little water stains here. So nice. And then we have the washi page. I love a washi page. So there's that. Lots of different types. We have some like scalloped ones, some like die cut ones, and then some straight ones, skinny, medium, and large. Such a good variety that you get in this subscription. And then we have the last sheet here, which are like the days of the week, some scripts, and then the numbers. So you can do this in any planner that you have. There's nothing specific. You can use this in so many different ways. And I really love that it's on washi paper. I believe this is the only time you can get her washi paper is through the subscription. So yeah, look how gorgeous this is. You guys, I am so excited about this collection. It's so pretty. And I think you really get an amazing value with this. So if you guys are interested, definitely check out Perkys Paperie, and I will leave the link down below. She also gave us a coupon code so you can purchase anything else from her website that you find that you like. Definitely check her out and try it out. I just love this charm. Is everything. It's so cute. But yeah, that is her subscription. Again, super affordable, awesome themes that go with the seasons. So highly recommend it if you're looking for a new subscription, just something fun to get every single month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. All the details will be down below in the description bar. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed. Go follow her, Perkys Paperie, and then follow me as well on Instagram. But yeah, thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.